A few years ago, I released a product called Email Success Secrets. It ended up being very, very popular. Over 1,000 people grabbed it from me. If you haven't grabbed it, there's going to be a chance to get it for free. Um, but there's also been a lot of things that have changed in the past couple of years in email marketing. And because of that, I've just put together a brand new course on email marketing, listing 5 brand new techniques that very few people are actually using, which I am seeing success from. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's one of my bonuses for the Email Power Machine. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my dad jokes, they're bad. They're bad. There's no two ways about it. But seriously, but if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products that make money online niche. And why is this such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, what is it with your obsession about crap? Nobody wants it. You're the only one. Nobody else does. That guy is so annoying. He takes turns with Bart Simpson and with Kramer and Newman from Seinfeld. You know, the 3 of them, the 4 of them really, they're driving me insane. You know, like, get a life. Nobody wants the crap. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. That's the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, I see Liz, she says the same thing every single time, you know, and people who watch my videos know that she does that all the time. But hey, you know what? I like Liz. She's a sweetheart, so I can't really get angry at her. Anyhow, but if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for the Email Power Machine. This is from a brand new marketer named Marcel Vanderkopf. Marcel just got into the industry, and he has been working to put together his very first product. And this is his first effort. Basically, with this, he's going to be teaching you everything that he's learned about email marketing. And it's a valuable product. But what's really valuable about this, the thing that really made me excited about it, is the fact that you get PLR on this product. What does that mean? Basically, what that means is that you have the right to sell it, use it as a bonus, give it away as a lead magnet, put your own name on it, whatever you want. You can take it, reuse it for whatever you like. You can even use it as blog posts, for example, break up pieces of it and use it as blog posts, use it as an email sequence. Whatever you want to use it for, you can use it for. And at the price that he's currently asking for on this, I believe it's $9.95. That's a real bargain price for this particular product. Okay, $9.95 for this thing. It will be going up to $27 after the launch ends. But of course, as always, I do have a very, very special bonus to give away to you as well, which nobody else is going to give to you. So pick it up from me exclusively. First of all, I'm going to give you Email Success Secrets if you don't already have it. I'm also going to give you the first upgrade to Email Success Secrets, which I have never given away before, ever. Okay, you're going to get OTO 1, which is a $27, $37 upgrade. You're going to get completely for free when you pick this up from me for $9.95. And the reason I'm doing this in part is because I want myself to succeed. He's a good guy, got a good product here. I want you to succeed. And so I'm giving this to you for free, which is totally insane because Email Success Secrets alone is a $19.95 product. And then when you pick up the upgrade, it's another $27 or $37. So you get all of that for $9.95. That's already insane. But of course, anybody who knows me knows that I go way above and beyond anything. And that's because of what you see behind me. You can see that I'm in my office here in my home. We bought a house outright, not a mortgage. We own this house outright. And the reason that I own this house outright is because of email marketing. And it's because of you, because of my loyal subscribers, the people who are willing to buy what I'm telling you about because you know that I'm giving you quality stuff. And so basically, I want to help you out. I want to give you something that is truly valuable. So in addition to giving you email success secrets plus the first upgrade to email success secrets, I'm also going to give you 3 other bonuses. First of all, I just made a brand new video. Nobody's seen it yet because I literally just recorded it this morning. And this is a power-packed video showing you the latest techniques that I've come up with for email marketing. Very, very few people, if any, are using these techniques. Okay, these are brand new things that I have just developed that people are going to be, your mind's going to be blown when you see these techniques because they are kind of counterintuitive to what you would expect. I'll give you one hint about one thing. When I first got started in this industry, there was something that people told me was revolutionary. It was great. Use this constantly. And today it's become so overused that it actually can hurt your deliverability. And almost nobody in the Make Money Online industry knows that this is true. I see all the big names still doing this, and their emails are landing in my spam box because of them doing this one thing. Okay, this is something that I just started doing myself within the past week because I got the inside scoop from people who basically they live and breathe email. Okay, they run a very successful niche email service, not the big names like Aweber or GetResponse, who they don't know, they don't care, they're not interested. This is a much smaller operation where they really pay attention to deliverability. And if your deliverability drops, they will contact you and try to work with you one-on-one to help you out with figuring this out. This is something they told me about, and I started doing this, and it's helped. Okay, that's one of the 5 secrets that I'm going to be sharing with you in this value-packed video they're going to be getting from me. Now, in addition to that, I'm also going to give you a free week-long trial to my newsletter. Okay, this is a value-packed newsletter. There is no pitch in this newsletter. It's all content. Okay, it comes out once a month, and you get access to all of the previous issues. There's, I think, about 50 previous issues right now that you can download completely, totally for free during the week-long trial. If you decide to keep it, it's going to be $9.95 per month. We are going to be raising the price when I do my next product launch. It's going to be $12.95 per month when we do the next product launch. So if you do want to get in, it's probably going to be your last chance to get in at the $9.95 price point, just because of the fact that prices are going up on everything. There's been tremendous inflation lately. And so we're trying to keep the price as low as possible. $12.95 is still a bargain. It costs me a lot more now to license it for you than it used to. I'm paying 50% more for the license on my newsletter that you get, okay? And so when I'm basically going to raise the price by 20%, I'm actually losing money, but I want to keep it affordable. So it's going to be $12.95 starting with my next launch. But right now you're going to be able to get it for free for a week, and then if you keep it, it's $9.95 a month. On top of all those things, I'm also going to be giving you 30 additional courses with full PLR rights that you can sell, give away, use as a bonus. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this package, I'm going to give you the entire Sean Mice collection with resale rights. That means that you can sell them, use them as a bonus, give them away as a lead magnet, wherever you like. Okay, so you're going to get that as well from me when you pick up any upgrade. And the upgrades, by the way, are pretty affordable. The first upgrade, there's only 2 of them, by the way. The first upgrade is going to be, I think it's $18 or $19. The second upgrade is $97. So pick up either of those 2 upgrades. I'm going to give you the Sean Mice collection. If you pick up both upgrades, in other words, pick up the full funnel, there's only 2 products again in the funnel. So 2 upgrades in the funnel. If you pick up both upgrades, then I'm going to give you something truly extraordinary. I'm going to personally write a 3 email sequence for you. That means you tell me what you need an email written about. I will personally write the emails for you. And I have made hundreds upon hundreds of thousands of dollars. I think in total right now, I'm over $300,000 in sales, thanks to email marketing. And again, what you see behind me, this is one of my favorite paintings that I have behind me. It's inspired by Magritte, called Son of Man. It was made famous actually in the Thomas Crown Affair. They called it the faceless businessman with a bowler hat. And it's one of my favorite paintings. Actually, my whole house is filled with artwork, and we have a beautiful Victorian house with all kinds of amazing stuff. Now, you can see the wall behind me is an old style wood panel. I personally like that stuff. I know a lot of people think that it kind of looks tacky and old. I like it personally. The other thing you can see behind me, by the way, I mean, you just have the lamp, obviously, and I think you can probably kind of make out my my heirloom chess set, which I happen to like playing chess. And this is one of those like really fancy sets, not the cheap set you buy at Walmart for $5. This is the kind that it's called an heirloom chess set because it's the kind that you pass down through generations, and the kind that costs like a couple $1,000s typically. So. But anyway, that's beside the point. You can also see the door to my study. Actually, the entire house is made with what's called tiger oak, which again, this is something unique that you cannot buy today. Well, you could, but it's super expensive. When we were remodeling the house, I looked into it out of curiosity, what it cost if some of the tiger oak was damaged. A 1 foot piece of tiger oak trim is $100. Okay, and my house is filled with it, and that's because that's all because of the fact that you have helped me to build my business, and I want to help you build your business, and that's why I was able to afford to buy this house outright, and live this amazing life because of you. And so that's why I really want to help you out. So again, just to recap. Pick this up from me. You're going to get Email Success Secrets, which is a $19.95 value. That's actual price. You're going to get the first upgrade, which I believe is $37 now, maybe $27. I remember it's $27 or $37, but either way, you're going to get both of those for your $9.95 base price. Plus, you're getting 30 courses from me that you can sell, give away, use as a bonus. Plus, I'm going to give you my brand new course that nobody's seen with 5 brand new email secrets that very few people know about. And these are really going to help you out a lot. Okay, so you're going to get all of those things from me with the base product. Pick up any upgrade to the product. You're going to get the Sean Mize collection. Pick up both of the upgrades, the first upgrade and the second upgrade. I'm going to write you a 3 email sequence personally just for you. Nobody else will have it. You tell me what you want it to be about. I'm going to write it up for you personally, and it'll be just for you. So let's check out the members area real quick over here. Let's see here. It's a little bit of a confusing design, to be perfectly honest. Basically, where you don't really need to start here. This is just going to be basically telling you about the webinar. You can go straight over to here. This is where you're actually going to be able to download the ebook. You're going to click here, and it'll actually just download a file for you. You're going to get all the graphics included. You're going to get the docx file included. You can edit and rebrand for yourself. He's pretty liberal with his PLR rights. The only thing you're not allowed to do is use his name in the product. But other than that, you can pretty much use it however you want in order to be able to sell this thing and use it as your own. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip as the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. As a first product, this is great. I love it. Grab this one. You're going to love it.